Hey guys, welcome back to another session of Make It Yourself May. This is the collab that is hosted by Anne from What's Up Family Home. I will have Anne's channel listed in the description box below, as well as the playlist of all of the creators who are making things from scratch for you. Tonight we are going to make homemade oatmeal cream pies. So the first thing you're going to do, I have shortening, softened butter, brown sugar, and white sugar, and we're going to cream those together. All right, next we are going to add in 2 eggs, some vanilla, and I found this molasses at Kroger. My husband's here helping me tonight. I've had a really busy day and he's agreed to help me do this. Okay, so we're gonna cream this together as well. I have loved this collab. I am so glad Anne came up with the idea because sometimes you realize how easy it is just to make things on your own instead of paying that higher charge. And my husband loves snack cakes, so I thought this would be a win-win. All right, we've moved our wet ingredients over to the side, and now we're gonna add flour to a separate bowl, some salt, and some baking soda. I always like to give this a good mix. And then we're gonna add this a little bit at a time into our wet ingredients and mix it. Next, we're gonna add in our oats. And the recipe suggests that you use the 1-minute quick oats. I am going to link this recipe down in the description box below. I found it on Pinterest. I have my oven preheating at 350 degrees, and I am going to add in the oats. And we're just gonna fold these into the mix. And there is our cookie mixture. All right, and what I do is I have a cookie scoop, and I am just dropping them on a piece of parchment paper. I almost forgot to turn you guys on. You want your cookies to be about the same size. All right, I'm gonna put these in the oven, my preheated oven, for 10 to 12 minutes. You don't want them to get too crispy, but you do want the outside edges to be brown. So I'll be back whenever these finish baking. Okay guys, our first batch is out of the oven. I'm gonna let them cool for a little while in the pan, and then I'm gonna move them over to a rack to cool completely. I have another batch in the oven now, and once everything gets cooled, we'll be back to make up the filling. Okay guys, my cookies have all cooled, and I'm back, and we're gonna start on the filling. This is hot water. We're gonna add a little bit of salt to this. And we're gonna set this to the side. In my bowl, I have 1 7-ounce container of marshmallow fluff, the whole thing. All right, to our marshmallow fluff, we're gonna add shortening. Y'all, Abe's saying hello. He's really been pretty good about not being in every video lately. Okay, got my shortening in there. Now we're gonna add some vanilla. And we're gonna beat this together. Next, we're gonna add in our powdered sugar. We're gonna add this a little bit at a time. We're gonna add in our hot water and our salt. And we're gonna add in the other part of our powdered sugar. Now we're gonna make sure that all this got off the sides. All right, so I've got my filling all done, and I've got my cooled cookies, and I am just using a offset spatula. You can use whatever you want. And I'm just gonna add, obviously the first one you do, you don't know what you're gonna do yet. There you go. There you go. And you can make this as creamy as you want. And you're just gonna press down just a little bit. You wanna make sure you leave room around the edge so that your filling all stays in. And that's one sandwich cookie down. While I'm filling these cookies up, I wanted to talk to you a little bit about Anne from What's Up Family Home, our host. As many of you know, if you watch my channel, that I just respect Anne so much, and she's such a great person. Want to encourage you to check out her channel. She does what's for dinner videos, grocery hauls, and lots of different prepper stuff. She's into gardening, canning. She's got lots and lots of neat things that she does on her channel. In addition, there is a playlist of all of the creators who have made a Make It Yourself in May recipe for you. I will have that playlist and Anne's channel listed in the description box below. That one I forgot to leave some stuff away from the edge. So what I'm gonna do is I am going to finish putting these together. You see how easy it is. And I am gonna go tell my husband these are done and have him do a taste test for us. All right, I'm gonna keep going. See you back here in just a minute. All right, guys, here is our finished copycat oatmeal cream pies. My husband's gonna give them a taste test and let us know what he thinks.
They're very good.
You like them?
Mm-hmm. A little different, but good. It's more like a cookie instead of a soft cake.
Okay. I'm not sure if you understood that with his mouth full because they're so good. He's saying that they don't taste exactly like Little Debbie, that they taste more like a cookie instead of a soft cake, but that they are very good. So that's gonna do it for this edition of Make It Yourself May. Don't forget to check out Anne's channel and the playlist that is listed in the description box below. And also, most importantly, don't forget, Jesus loves you. I'll see you guys in the next one.